Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Water Peace Project's monthly water ceremony of love and gratitude and collective consciousness experiment in collaboration with Aquasci and Cybertronica. And I'm Lindsay, International Hado instructor and founder at Water Peace Project. Our mission is to inspire and educate the importance of water for peace. So when we learn about water, we learn about ourselves because we are water. So today I'm joined by three of our scientific advisors at Water Peace Project who are also my dear friends. Please welcome Dr. Kumunga Andrahanetti and founder of CALM. She explores how water affects the mind. So hello, Kumunga. Thank you for your support at Water Peace Project and joining us today.
Thank you very much, Lindsay, for inviting us.
And also we have Jeremy Pfeiffer from SVP Water Research. Hi, Jeremy.
Hey, Lindsay. Hey, everyone. Thanks for having me today.
And of course, we have Anton from Aquasci. So hi, Anton. Thanks for joining us today.
Lindsay, hi, everybody. Thank you very much.
And so I'm really grateful for all of your continued support and everyone joining us here. Your support with the scientific aspect of water really brings a lot of meaning to the work that we do, and this important collaboration in exploring the power of consciousness through water-based science. So I have a special announcement today. We are super excited that we have Dr. Serge Kernbach from Cybertronica and Dr. Yasuyuki Nemoto joining us as scientific advisors at Water Peace Project. And so we are incredibly fortunate and grateful for their support and resonance. And the experiment we're conducting today is actually the third experiment, if you're just joining us for the first time, and we are scientifically measuring the effect of group consciousness focused at the same water sample at the same exact time. And so the experiment actually begins right now and it lasts for 30 minutes. So let's bring our attention to the water sample that you see on the screen here. And this is a live water sample. It's located in a lab in Germany where it's isolated, stabilized, and it's constantly being measured 24 hours a day with a special water sensor for any type of subtle changes being taken place. So we are going to explore the power of collective consciousness as an active force of energy. And we're going to do that by directing our sincere feelings of love and gratitude to the water sample. So for the next 30 minutes, let's direct our energy at the same sample at the same time. And as each person's joining in resonance, our collective energy is growing stronger and stronger. So the resonance of our collective consciousness is the active force of energy. So let's take 3 deep breaths. And I'll sound the crystal bowl and we'll sincerely send our feelings of love and gratitude to the water sample right now. So. This October 11th water ceremony is special to us. We are dedicating it to our teacher, the late, great Dr. Masaru Emoto. And he dedicated his life to teaching the power of consciousness through water for the purpose of peace. And we at Water Peace Project have been holding this water ceremony since 2011 as a request from him personally. And he taught us how our sincere vibrations of love and gratitude create a powerful resonance that actually can stabilize, restore or restructure water. And this is similar how electrolysis device could purify water. And so actually this beautiful image that you see behind me, this is a result of that resonance from actually a water ceremony Dr. Emoto held. And as he was saying the prayers, the clouds filled up in the sky, it was going to rain. And just as he finished the prayers, this crystal clear blue heart opened in the sky, and this is not altered at all. So it just shows us how our vibrations, our energy, consciousness, it has an immediate effect. It's not like, you know, it's right in the present moment. So, and Dr. Emoto believed that the power of the prayer actually grows when the resonance grows. So the number of people participating and the purity of their prayer and being in coherence. I think that's the most important when we're resonating as one. That's where we're the strongest. So we truly appreciate each one of you for joining us for that purpose. We're stronger and stronger as we pay our respects to water. And as I mentioned before, all of us have a special connection here. Jeremy Kumunga and I, we met Anton at the Scientific Water Conference. And that's when I had organized for Dr. Emoto to join. And unfortunately, he was unable to join. He passed away shortly after that, October 17th, 2014. So we know it was an honor for him to be invited. And that conference actually attracts the world's leading water scientists, and including the water research from Aquasci. And I know that Anton's poster presentation was the winner for 2019 water conference. So we are super honored to collaborate with you, and this is really important research. So again, let's bring our attention back to the water sample. I'll sound the crystal bowl 3 times. Let's take 3 breaths together. At the same time, we'll send our feelings of love and gratitude. And now I would like to open the circle up to the others here, actually, Jeremy and Anton. They are the experts here with this platform and how this research works. And so we'd like to have you guys share a little bit more about how you're exploring consciousness through water-based science and the water sensor, and maybe how the platform Aquasci works, so everybody here can join on their own at other times, maybe.
Thank you, Lindsay, and thanks everyone for having us today. It's quite an honor to be here in reverence and ceremony around water. And water is our favorite subject, spiritually and scientifically. We are almost 80 to 90% water. And so water makes up pretty much our complete environment around us. So it makes a lot of sense that we study it and spend a lot of time exploring it. So personally, I'm an independent scientific water researcher, and I explore consciousness through water-based sciences. And my work focuses on sympathetic vibratory physics and consciousness, and I use experimental validation methods in regards to non-conventional resonance-based technologies. And for example, Aquasci. And so Aquasci is a platform, it's an online platform that allows anyone to explore the power of consciousness using water-based sensors, at which can scientifically measure subtle changes in the water. And so what I'd like to do is invite Anton, who is one of the lead architects for the platform and one of our colleagues at Cybertronica Research, to discuss a little bit more and tell us more about the platform, the operating mode of action, and actually what the mechanisms are, and actually how we quantify your effect on the water systems. So welcome, Anton.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Lindsay, for organizing these ceremonies. It's very important. And with each ceremony, with each new experiment, we understand more like how it works, what can we improve. And thank you everyone for participating. It's like very important, I think, for all humanity to explore and understand what our consciousness can do. So here on screen, you see the water sample, which is actually now located in the Germany in closed lab. Nobody have access to that lab because sensor is very sensitive there. That's how the device looks like. It has a few chambers inside, few channels. It has distilled water inside, and the actual picture of that live sensor you see now on the screen, and we send in our love and gratitude to that sensor. It has two electrodes. That's how we measure electroconductivity. You can think about electroconductivity like, so anything like metal can conduct the electricity. Water can also conduct electricity. If it's distilled water, it doesn't conduct electricity very well, but it still has some conductivity. It depends on many different phenomena, also including that some minerals may be dissolved in water, but also in different quantum phenomena. And like seems with our consciousness, we can influence that like state of the water and can become more conductive. Also, recently we added to the sensor we can measure now temperature like really precisely. It's like 0.0000, like 1 Fahrenheit, is plus minus. So it's really like stable environment here, but we still can make and measure those small changes. We noticed with a recent experiment that is, and with the experience, people do experiments on the aquasci, and we see what they can achieve. And we notice not always easy to influence the water, and it's actually, I think, is a good thing. That's like water and world maybe like pretty stable to anybody's intentions or something like this, but it's still possible to effect. And when we bring more people to join us at this ceremony, we actually, I think, getting higher results. We already did 2 experiments, 2 ceremonies. We got positive results. Totally, Lindsay planned 12 experiments, and it's important that all of them will do, because we'll need to have statistic to really show what can we do. Like, and now we have hundreds of people participating, and thank you very much for doing that.
Thank you, Anton. And I think it's fascinating just how precise that is, and the work that you're doing. And also, we're going to be doing like a quarterly review. And I know that Serge is putting together with you also a scientific paper. So actually, everyone that's joining us, we're all a part of this experiment. So we really appreciate that. So again, let's bring our attention back to the water sample. I'll sound the crystal ball. We'll take 3 more breaths and collectively send our sincere feelings of love and gratitude to the water. Now I'd like to open the circle to Dr. Kamunga Andrahanetti. And Kamunga, maybe you could explain a little bit about your important work at CALM, and then if you could do the honor of beginning the water ceremony prayers.
Thank you very much, Lindsay. Thank you, Anton. Thank you, Jeremy. First of all, thank you, Lindsay, for continuing Dr. Emoto's legacy through the Water Peace Project. And if I may remind you, before I met you in August 2010, I went to Japan the same year in March 2010. And the conference that I went for was actually called the Water and Peace Global Forum. So that's where I first met Dr. Emoto, and it's incredible that you have named your project Water Peace Project. So the resonance with you, Dr. Emoto, is very high, and we really appreciate the continuation of his work this way. So, and you bring us together to make this happen. And Jeremy and Anton, thank you for continuing and taking Dr. Emoto's work even further this way, and for scientifically measuring the power of love and gratitude through the work that you're doing. And this is another very important, taking the work forward this way. And in fact, like Lindsay mentioned, just before Dr. Emoto passed away, Dr. Emoto was supposed to be in the scientific conference for the very first time. It was almost this leap going from his work into the scientific world that he passed it on to you guys, and he passed away. So I'm pretty sure he's looking down on us, and he's very happy that this is taking place. So it's a very special ceremony today. So thank you again. Just to tell you a little bit about what I do maybe. So through CALM, the Center for the Advanced Learning of Mindfulness, we measure the effect of water on our consciousness. So when we begin the water ceremony today, the prayer that we will begin with is a form of a meditation and a water blessing. So I think without saying too much, it's better to go into the ceremony. So how we will do this is that I will begin with the water blessing. Before that, Lindsay will play the singing bowl one more time to bring us to center us. And then after my prayer, Lindsay will lead us with the grand invocation in Japanese. And then Jeremy will then share the prayer of love, peace, and light. And then to complete the water ceremony, I will follow with the simple yet very powerful prayer of Ho'oponopono prayer for forgiveness and reconciliation. And so now to begin the water ceremony, I'd like to invite Lindsay. Thank you, Lindsay. So this prayer consists of 8 lines, and I will recite one line at a time, and then you may repeat after me. We pray for healing blessings from the rain.
We pray for healing blessings
from the rain.
We pray for healing blessings from the waterfalls.
We pray for healing blessings from the waterfalls.
We pray for healing blessings from the rivers.
We pray for healing blessings from the rivers.
We pray for healing blessings from the Mother Ocean.
We pray for healing blessings from the Mother Ocean.
We pray that all our waters so pure and so sacred.
We pray that all our waters so pure and sacred.
We pray that their blessings heal our mind and our body.
We pray that their blessings heal our mind and our body.
We pray that their blessings heal our Mother Earth.
We pray that their blessings heal our Mother Earth.
Through our pure intention of love and gratitude towards our waters.
Through our pure intention of love and gratitude to our waters.
We pray that the waters show us the right mindful path to live in peace and harmony.
We pray that the water show us the right mindful path to live in peace and harmony.
Now I will chant the grand invocation together with you. This is a powerful Kotodama, Japanese mantra, and it was created by Dr. Emoto's teacher. And it was their hope that 10% of the population would join in resonance to create peace and harmony. And so since we're going to chant together in Japanese, the meaning in English is the eternal universe has gathered itself to create a world of true and grand harmony. So again, I will say it and you can repeat after me. Uchu no mugen no
Uchu no
Chuno
mugen
Mugeno,
chikara ga korikote
chikara ga
Chikaraga
korikote
makoto no daiwa no
Makotono Daiwano,
no
mio ga narinata.
Myoga
myoga narina
Narinata,
Uchu no mugen no
chuno
Uchuno Mugeno,
Chikaraga korikote.
Chikaraga
Karaga
korikote.
Korikote.
Makoto no Daiwa no.
Makoto
Makatana
no
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Mio ga narinata.
Miyoga
Miyoko
narinata.
Narinata.
Uchu no mugen no.
Uchu no
Chuno
mugen no.
Mugena.
Chikaraga korikote.
Chikaraga
Chikaraga
korikote.
Makoto no Daiwa no.
Makoto no
Makatana
Taiwan no.
Taiwan.
Mio ga narinata.
Miyoga narinata.
Miyoko Narinata.
So the prayer of love and light is perhaps the most profound blessing you can use for yourself and others. It has been empowered in the collective psyche, and as a result, reciting it will both nurture your psychic body and allow you to commune with the higher forces of nature in a selfless way. So please follow along by repeating after me. Love before me,
Love
Love before me.
love behind me,
Love behind me.
love at my left,
Love at my left.
love at my right,
Love at my right.
love above me,
Love above me.
and love below me.
Love below me.
Love unto me,
Love onto me.
love in my surroundings,
Love in my surroundings.
love to all,
Love to all.
and love to the universe.
Love to the universe.
Peace before me,
Peace before me.
and peace behind me.
Peace behind me.
Peace at my left,
peace at my
Peace
right.
at my
peace at my right,
peace at my right.
peace above me,
Peace.
Peace above me.
peace below me,
Peace below me.
peace unto me,
Peace onto me.
peace in my surroundings,
Peace in my surroundings.
peace to all,
Peace to all.
and peace to the universe.
Peace to the universe.
Water and light before me,
Water and light before me.
water and light behind me,
Water and light behind me.
water and light at my left,
Water and light to my left.
and water and light at my right.
Water and light at my right.
Water and light above me,
Water and light.
And light above me.
water and light below me,
Water.
And light below me.
water and light unto me,
Water and light onto me.
water and light in my surroundings,
Water and light in my surroundings.
water and light to all,
Water and light to all.
and water and light to the universe.
Water and light to the universe. I will now share the Ho'oponopono prayer. So this is a powerful Hawaiian prayer for forgiveness and reconciliation. Please connect to your sincere heart and let's repeat it 3 times after me. And let's close our eyes to do this so that we can connect to our hearts properly. Water, I'm sorry.
Water, I'm sorry.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I love you.
Water, I love you.
Water, I'm sorry.
Water, I'm sorry.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I love you.
Water, I love you.
Water, I'm sorry.
Water, I'm sorry.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, please forgive me.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I thank you.
Water, I love you.
Water, I love you.
So this now completes our water ceremony together. And first of all, love and gratitude to each one of you who has joined from all parts of the world today to come together to honor Dr. Masaru Emoto. And maybe one more time we close our eyes and we connect with this water sample in Germany. And we express our deep love and gratitude to what Dr. Emoto has taught us, what he has brought to us. So let's once again take a long, deep breath. Long, deep breath out. And now let's send our love and gratitude that we are generating from our heart towards the water sample in Germany. So now we can be grateful that this time has brought us together for this beautiful ceremony, and we can take these blessings within us, within our water bodies, within our mental consciousness, and we can express this through our mind and through our bodies onto all the waters around us and everyone around us, our families, friends, and everybody. So I'm going to hand over to Lindsay again to complete our ceremony.
Thank you so much, Kamanga. Thank you, Jeremy, and thank you, Anton, and thank you, everyone, for participating today. And it is really powerful. You can feel the difference afterwards. So, and we know that we can connect to water anytime. We don't have to wait for the 11th of every month, but we do appreciate all of your participation. And we hope that you'll join us next month. That will be with Summer Deaver. But in 1 week, we have a special live stream with Dr. Yasuyuki Nomoto. As I mentioned, he's joined us as a scientific advisor here at Water Peace Project. And he's giving a special presentation dedicated to the life and love of Dr. Emoto titled Rainbows and Water. So that'll be streaming on our page on October 17th at 11 a.m. And same with our water ceremony on November 11th, 11/11. And if you could please remember, anyone can join, and just all it takes is your sincere heart. And that water can naturally record, store, and transmit all of our wave information. So we can do that from anywhere. So again, Anton, Jeremy, Kamunga, all of you, thank you, and I love you for your resonance and holding this space with us today and every month. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lindsay.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Mm-hmm.
you.